What's going on, everybody? Today we're doing Kansas, Carry On Wayward Son. This can be for beginners or intermediates as well as advanced. We're going to be in standard E tuning, so grab your acoustic or your electric. If you got an electric, turn on the distortion and we'll get started. Alright everyone, first riff. So what we're going to be doing, nothing too crazy here. You could practice your alternate picking on this part if you want. We're going to be starting with that third finger. We're going to be using finger 1 and 3 a lot actually, so keep that in mind. Proper spacing, they're always going to be 1 fret apart. So what's going to happen here is the third finger is going to start fret 5, 6th string. First finger is going to go to fret 3, 6th string. Back to 5 on the third finger, 6th string. So, okay, and you just want to get used to that feel. Once you get that down, now here comes a little bit of the tricky parts. First finger is now going to go to fret 3 of the 5th string. Then you're going to go back to 5, 3, 5 on the 6th. But now the ring finger is going to flatten, or you got to have to move it quickly to fret 5 of the 5th string now. So we got this. See how I just kind of snap my fingers straight down to that string? Now once you get here, you're going to pluck it again on 5 of the 5th string with the 3rd finger and move it to fret 7 of the 5th string. Now when you slide, you're going to keep your finger pressed down and move 2 frets up, kind of in a fast motion. Now, once you're here, this third finger will be going to fret 5 of the 4th string now. So out of that slide. Now coming back down, you go back to fret 7 of the 5th string, fret 5 of the 5th string with the first finger, and then fret 3 with the first finger on string 5. So let me take that slow from the beginning so far. See that? Now this part, that fast slide part, should be played fast. Now notice right here I'm doing the alternate picking. Just makes it easy for me. If you're just down plucking, that's fine, that's cool, nothing wrong with that. But that's gotta sound fast. Dun, 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 dun. And you want to keep your pace the same for everything. So if you speed it up a little, speed everything up. Okay, so now finger 3, fret 5, string 5, to finger 1, fret 3, string 6. Back to finger 3, fret 5, string 5. And now here's a little bit of a jump. Finger 1, fret 2, string 6. So, putting that all together from the beginning. That's all of that riff right there. I want you to practice it just that slow as I played it. Get used to the forming, the fingers of moving around and everything like that, all that good stuff. But you know, if you're already just ready to jump in with on the deep end. All right, coming out of section 1. So, this is a cluster. You want to practice it slow. Take your time, practice movements, especially for you beginners out there. So, out of section 1, we go into do down plucks on the 6th string. Now, as that's ringing out, you're moving your left hand. I use my 3rd finger. You can use your first. I move my left hand to fret 12, string 3 and 2, and I pluck them. Now, once you pluck them, I personally stop this 6th string as I move over from here. Now, the reason being is because if I don't, it kind of overpowers, or they kind of blend too much with that distortion on it. Sounds like this. And I don't like that. So as I pluck these 2 notes, the 3rd string and 2nd string on fret 12, at the same time as I'm about to strike it, I'm muting that 6th string. Okay, so as that happens now, after you play this, now you got to get your 1st finger to the fret 5 area of the 6th string, because you're going to pluck it open again on the 6th, hammer on fret 5 string 6, and then another hammer on, so it's a double hammer on, 3rd finger, fret 7 string 6. So we got 1 pluck. So from the beginning so far. Okay. Now, as you're holding this 3rd finger down on fret 7 string 6, the 1st finger will now go to fret 5 string 5. You're going to pluck this one. And you're going to roll it to fret 5 string 4. And I use the fat part of my finger for the roll part. I use the tip of the finger for the 5 on the 5th string, and then fat part of the finger, fret 5, 4th string. So we got this so far. Now I pluck both of those, and then now I got to roll back to fret 5 string 5 and hammer it onto fret 7 string 5. So we got this. Now that cluster is intimidating at first, but with some practice and playing it slow as like this, or even slower if you need to break it down more, and just practice maybe up to there. You'll get your speed up and you'll feel confident with this. So once you keep doing that, it's going to take a couple days, maybe it might even take you a week, but get fluent with it. Now you're going to want to start putting that together with the first part. Whoops, I made a mistake there. Now, as you hit this last note, you come into the 0-0 again on that 6th string. And then that's kind of like where you get a small pause. Now I can't play it. Now, as that 6th string's ringing again, you're going to be moving that 3rd finger. And now you got to use both these 2 fingers. A lot of finger 3 and 1 on this video, huh? So now you're going to be using it. As this 6th string's ringing, you're going to be moving over fret 14, string 3 and 2. And you're going to play these together. And then 1st finger, fret 12, string 3 and 2. And once again, you're going to be muting that 6th string as you play 14, 12. You're going to mute it out. Now I'm missing all my strings, huh? It's crazy. So we got this so far. Now, from here, on the recording, it sounds like you can hear it again. And then it jumps back into. And then again. And then that's how I'm going up for this video. You can practice it that way, or you can practice it one on the 12, and then I'll just show you. How about that? I'll show you the 2 ways you can practice it. The reason being is the first way I'm going to show you is going to be more if you feel not as confident playing that cluster part. The second one, you're just running with the cluster and you're just ready to roll with it. So, first time around, coming off that first part. Right here, you're going to just hold this note out, come back into the 6th string, and that's where I'm teaching up to you for this video. Or if you feel ready with that cluster, you can start working it every other one, or every one I mean. So alright everyone, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as always. And if you need more help with this song, other songs, or if you feel stuck in your guitar playing, I'm a Skype guitar instructor. You can go to my website and read what my current students have to say about my guitar lessons. And you can shoot me an email from there. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next guitar lesson video.